is the depalletized. This is the palletized. So this one is for separate the bottles from the pallets and send it to the conveyors, send to the conveyor out. And this one is for put the bottles on the pallet.
So the pallet with the bottle will be put in here, and there is a list inside for list up the pallet, and the bottles, one layer of the bottles will be pushed out to the conveyors, and then go in and then separate to there one by one to connect with the filling machine. And after filling the liquid, this is rice wine. After fill the rice wine inside the bottle will be sent back from the white conveyor to here, and then there will be arrangement in there will be arranged one pallets bottles, and then going to the pallet. So the difference between two machines is this one is for separate the bottles, the empty bottles from the pallets, and this one is after filling the waters or liquid inside the bottle. And this one is the machine that for put the bottles in the pallets again.